And we're somewhere in Jagodno on the main route where lots of new people live in new places, and they're building a park here for that kid. Maybe just for that kid, who knows? Maybe there's two kids there. Check out the colors. And cool new neighborhoods. And it's rows and rows of buildings like this. And, well, I think it's a lot of fun for a lot of people who live here. They're having fun. Probably on the internet right now. But they're still having fun. And there it is. Cześć, Jagodno. And I almost ran into that. But I think it would have been fun. It would probably been, if I ran into that, it would have been the funnest thing happening in this part of town. As you see, this is Viva Jagodno and Ronson Developers. And on we go, onto the main intersection, and we're heading home because I've finished my shift, so I'm heading home using some new sidewalks. This park hasn't been opened yet, but it'll be a hit hopefully next season. And it'll be a hit here because, well, as long as there's a Żabka around where you can get a hot dog, there's one over there I think. You can also clean your car, you can have babies, you can do whatever you want in this part of town. And you can run around in circles, and like these people are doing. You can here on the corner and then sell it right away. You can also start your business as a psychologist in advertising. Whatever you want. You can cross the street where there's no new intersection. You can run. You can walk your dog wherever you want to. You can have kids and do whatever. So, wow. Anyway, there is a shop, so at least you're safe. You can have more kids. You can walk between the buildings. You can advertise everywhere on the building. You know, you can have another psychologist. I guess it's popular with psychologists here. No wonder. You can walk your dog again. You can walk your dog again. You can do all sorts of things in this part of town. You can live here. You can just enjoy living here and walk around, and just go to work and then go home and then just enjoy your life like that. And 3 kilometers from here, according to that sign, there's a McDonald's. So that's the direction I'm going. You can rent here. You can have a parking rent too. This goes on forever, forever and ever. And then so this is the new city, Jagodno. And on the other side, you have awesome people living. And then you have awesomer people here. Like, check out their lofts, their penthouses. And let's see which part of town they're at. So next you'll see where we're at. So we're actually nowhere. That's the end of, that's it. There's 400 new places coming up right here in this field. But that's about it. That's where you live. You live right there. And downtown is beyond those clouds. So if you want to go hang out downtown, well, you better have a car, and you better sit here in the cold and wait for a bus. Or you can walk, or you have an electric bike like I do. Yeah. So it takes quite a while to get anywhere. This dog even knows about that. And yeah, I'm gonna have to pass these people. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, and then there's other people along the way, and as I said, you can have babies. You can do all sorts of things here. You can grow corn. You can do all sorts of things in this part of town called Jagodno here in Wrocław, Poland. And well, if it was by the sea, it'd be quite something. Anyway, I think that's it for my commentary. I'm pretty sure you're tired of me and everything I'm saying, and I'm tired of myself, and my hands are cold, and it's February 8th, Sunday. I'm working on Sunday. And that's what I do. I do videos of places like this island in the middle of a field. That's probably the funnest thing here. And then they expect to build lots more of these things, so tune in. And like, for example, this road here, it goes across like this, and it ends here. And if you want to speed, you go right into the field. So that would also be an exciting thing to do around here. And yeah, so that's that. And see you later.